guys, it's Sarah from Snacks and Crafts. Today we're gonna enjoy some sugar-free whipped cream that I made in a mason jar. I just made this snack. I wanted something cold and creamy and sweet. So I was like, instead of me eating my little brownie bite things in the fridge, I was like, I want some whipped cream. And so I made some. It's kind of settling down now, but look at it. It's real whipped cream. I never made whipped cream in a mason jar before, so I was super excited to try it. Anyway, sorry for the weird voice. So what you'll need, or what I used, I used heavy whipping cream, pure vanilla extract. Is this pure vanilla? It says pure, yeah. Vanilla extract, and then the Swerve powdered Swerve confectioner's sweetener. This is erythritol. Sorry if I said that wrong. But anyway, this stuff's super cool. I got it at the Whole Foods. You can get it at Walmart as well. Walmart's out of my way. Whole Foods is closer to my house. So, what I did was I just poured, I didn't measure anything. I was just like, this looks like enough. So I think I poured about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream into my mason jar. I added a splash of vanilla, and then I actually used 1 teaspoon of the Swerve sweetener into the cream, and then I just stirred it up and just stirred the stuff to dissolve into the cream. Then I popped the little mason jar lid on it. At first I was just shaking it like this, hoping it wouldn't break, and then I remembered I had the screw lid thing on something in the fridge, so I took that off of there. I put it under here, kept shaking it. Don't know how long I shook it. I kind of just, at first it sounds really liquidy, and then I could tell it was getting thicker just by the way it was sound. It wasn't as loud. It kind of stopped making a noise. And I checked on it. It couldn't have been more than like 3 minutes. Because really, I just sat on the couch, watched maybe a scene or two of the show that was on. And then, boom, it's whipped cream. Y'all, it's so good. It tastes like Ready Whip. It's delicious. It's so good. I told myself I wasn't gonna buy any more heavy whipping cream because I've been putting this in my coffee, which is cool. I was gonna switch to half and half because it tastes the same, fewer calories, but whatever. I'm buying this again just to make this whip stuff. It was so good, and I wanted to share with my people. I was like, this would be great on Snacks and Crafts because it's a snack, and I just did it. So, fresh to you from me, Swerve whipped cream.